Good morning, students. Today we will start grammar, and in grammar our topic is direct and indirect speech. The words spoken by a person can be reported in two ways. First, direct, and second, indirect. First, direct, and second, indirect. When we quote the exact words spoken by a person, we call it direct speech. As I am talking directly to you, it is direct speech. For example, Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. Example, Sohan said to Mohan, I am going to school. So, we call it direct speech. The exact words spoken by Sohan are put within inverted commas. The words spoken by Sohan, they are put in inverted commas. But when we give the substance of what Sohan said, it is called the indirect speech. Second point, reporting clause and reported speech. Reporting clause and reported speech. Sohan told Mohan that he was going to school. The words which generally come before the inverted commas. The words generally come before the inverted commas are called the reporting clause. So, this one is reporting clause. The words before inverted commas, they are reporting clause. And Sohan said to Mohan, and the verb said is called the reporting verb. Reporting verb, reporting clause. The words spoken by Sohan and put within the commas, they are called reported speech, i.e., I am going to school. Now, we can understand it in this way that this one is reporting clause, reporting verb, reporting clause, and that is called reported speech. Third point, rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. First point, in the indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. If we will change the sentence into indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. Second, the conjunctions that, if, whether, etc. are generally used after the reporting verb. They are used. The first word of the reported speech begins with the capital letter. The first word of reported speech, it begins with capital letter. Next, the tense of the reporting verb is never changed. Our tense will never change. The reporting verb changes according to sense. It may be told, asked, inquired, etc. It will be changed into told, asked, inquired, etc. Fourth point, rules for the change of pronoun. Rules for the change of pronoun. The first person pronouns I, me, my, we, us, our in the reported speech change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second, the pronouns of the second person you, your, yourself in the reported speech changes according to the object of the reporting verb. Next, the pronouns of the third person do not change. For example, he said, we can understand it, I like the book. He said, I like the book. So, now we will change. He said that he liked the book. Clear? Second, he said to me, example 1, he said to me, do you like the book? Do you like the book? He, here is question, said to will be converted into asked. He asked me if I liked the book. So, next, changes in words. Next point, changes in words. Expressing nearness, time, etc. So, this changes into that. These changes into those. Now changes into then. Here changes into there. Today changes into that day. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Yesterday changes into the previous day. Last night changes into previous night. Can changes into could. May changes into might. Shall changes into should. Will changes into would. Ago changes into before. Just changes into then. Come changes into go.